In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all typing features available on this Redmi. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now click on Additional Settings. Select Languages and Input, Manage Keywords, and Gbird. Lastly, click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are here. If you want to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!